Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to show you how to make this Marquee slider. So basically, most of the website they are looking for something like this. So I'll show you how you can create this kind of slider within 2 to 3 minutes. So let's go. Here is the code you can see. I will put this code in the video description. Just you have to copy this whole code. Yep. So I will copy this whole code, then come back to your Shopify dashboard. This is the Shopify dashboard. So I will like to recommend you just duplicate the theme before you edit your live theme. Yeah, click here, click edit code. Here you can see all the files. So we have to create a section. Just we have to open this. Okay, or you can search as well as announcement bar. So here you can see this is our default announcement bar. So now I will create one, and it should be liquid, and you can give a name. It can be anything. For better understanding, I am giving a name custom announce and custom announcement bar, or you can call it custom Marquee bar, something like this. Okay, just create. Once you create, they will provide you default code, so ignore this or you'll delete this one and put all the code that we copied few seconds ago and paste it here. Now you have to click. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to go theme customization, go our theme customization. So now you have to select the section. So this is our header. We are going to add a slide announcement top of this header. So add here you can see our uh, section here. If you are not seeing something like this, I recommend you refresh your theme. Here you can see you can change or add any text. Buy one get one free some. So I am adding one by one text. Welcome to our web store is fine. Then I will go to here add a free shipping. Yeah, so here you can see all the text you can edit or change. You can add here summer sale. Okay, you can see the text it here, and the good point is you can add as much text as you want from here. Okay, so now we are adding more text. Now click save. Okay, now if you reload your home page, you can see this bar is here. So now you can see there is an issues with the customization, color, the speed, and all this stuff you can also control by click here. You can change the color of this announcement bar. You can change the text color as well, and you can add any link from the website or any third-party link. You can adjust the speed. I am just adding more adjustment. Let me put more to make it slow. You can keep it more slower, more speedy. It's up to you. You can adjust the height. Okay, you can adjust the font size. You can make it small, you can make it big, you can make it bold, you can make it more lighter. So everything you can control from here, and you can also okay, and you can also do one thing. You can just drag and drop it top, so it will be show like here, and if you save it, it will show like this on the top of your website. If you want to make, make it small, you can do font size, like make it small. So it's very flexible, yeah. And if you think that, okay, what if I want to add any section in, for example, contact page, you can also add it here. It's fine. Even after this contact form, you can just take the announcement bar, it, you can add it here in the bottom. Even in the whole website you can add and customize. You can, hide, or you can make it visible, you can make it uh, so it's very easy. Do you need any help, something more videos, you can like and follow me. And also you can buy my service. I have more than 350 plus reviews in my Fiverr account. We create high converting store that makes a lot of sales. Yep. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.